Freaking out. Oh, it's a busy day here.
Yeah. What an entry I have.
Well, what is up, everyone? How you doing? So, today is the day I will be competitively drifting for the first time. So, all right, that sounds fancy,
yeah.
Right? So, Lock City is hosting their very own street series this season, and it's a grassroots style drifting competition on a very new paved layout here at Thompson Motor Speedway. And I'm extremely nervous. We had a practice drift. We had a skid pad drift event yesterday, so I was able to shake down the car a little bit. I actually ended off the day blowing a wastegate line and over boosting the shit out of my car, but it's okay. We're doing great. So we're pulling in. We gotta get the car all set up and go through the driver's meeting, tech, and all that good stuff, and we'll get you up to date once I can even think straight. Right
Am I parking here?
I don't think you're parking here. Alright, so they paved a whole new section on the back of the road course, so we're actually drifting on that for the first time. We only get about 45 minutes of practice, and there's like 25 something cars, so we'll probably end up getting maybe 3 laps in. So I still gotta go fix my car and do all that stuff, but there's also a circle track event going on today, so the place is packed. It's sick though.
Huge.
So, let's go address this issue first. What do you think?
Scary. It looks official here.
That's a weird corner. Holy shit. Okay, so this is our first corner to the right, and they want us to get close to that cone. Wow, look at this. This is brutal. Imagine
That's
fucking
hard.
like board sliding this, you'll lose your fucking whole exhaust.
Yeah.
The track is just, it looks completely different when you're actually on it versus like
Yeah, it does.
Oh my god.
It's so much longer. It's gonna be a fast track.
We on your floor, look, more dogs. J-A-A-E, but I hope y'all niggas is on. And when we get there,
Take a right. I could like heavily feel the power loss, a little bit more than I thought I would. So it's really difficult. It's not that like the car is like impossible to drive now. It's just I'm not used to it. I'm really upset that my car. I just had to happen with the boost controller because I mean it's a noticeable difference, and I have to send the car a little bit harder, which means like I'm more likely to go off course. Which is if I go off course, done. So. I'm gonna put some more gas in it and check the tire pressures and go back out, ready for qualifying.
All right, Landers, what are you gonna say about Jimmy?
Up, we have number 76, Jimmy Oaks. He's a 1JZ powered Nissan S13 Coupe with a Soviet front end.
Did you just say Jimmy the
This man is an internet sensation. He's all over the YouTube channels. Check him out. Like, comment, subscribe, strike up,
Bubs.
He's the only person who came remotely close to the first cone so far.
That was good. That was good. He has no idea what he just did.
No,
Did you see that? He was like, did I do
he has his
good?
blinders on. He's like, I don't know what's happening.
Travis, Jimmy Oaks coming out for round 2. He got a 63 on his first run.
Okay, that's good.
See what he can do with that 1JZ powered S13. I know he can do better than a 63.
Nice. Good job, Bubs. That was beautiful.
That was a good run.
That was perfect.
Atta boy.
That's your son right there.
You
RJ.
lanky tree. I'm so proud of you.
That was a lot better than the first one.
Yeah, so I was just like, I keep focusing like mainly on just the clipping points because that's
Yeah.
like all they gave us for information was just like, yeah, get close to him.
Yeah.
I was like, all right. And so Chevy was like, you got a 63, and I was just like, oh man, how can I do better? He goes, just go faster. And so I did.
Yeah.
And it felt faster.
No, you did really good.
Yeah, it's
lot
hard because
better
like
than the first
I'm at the
one.
top a second, so I can't. That's like the fastest I can go. Close to the clipping points, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Even
good.
there was one point where it just like grazed it
Fuck yeah, that's what I was aiming
in the back
for.
corner. You did really good.
That last run felt good. I
Yeah.
hope if I can get high 60, low 70 on that last one.
There's no doubt.
Yeah.
Literally no
If
doubt.
I can get a 70, I'd be
Yeah.
really
Your
happy.
second run was definitely even better than your
All right, so qualifying's done. We got 2 runs each, and they pick your best score. So we're gonna find out who qualified. So there's 25 drivers, 16 spots, and so we're fighting for the top 16. And then starts the whole tandem process. So hopefully I go up against Tyler because Tyler's fun to tandem with.
What? Number 2 qualifier, number 27. Me on the route. Number 3 qualifier with a 80, Frank Cardock. Right behind him with the 76, Jimmy Oaks.
Yo! Hell yeah.
73 of number 49, Colin Fitzgerald.
Look who's here!
It's B Hall.
We're here. Cha-cha. Yeah.
Where's James?
Jimmy's in the bathroom. He got 4th for qualifying.
I heard. I got the text message. Really hype.
Real hyped.
So that's sick.
Yeah.
Car's a little low on boost.
Yeah.
It's the shape of a cone.
I ate a hot dog and
Look at this.
fries.
No. Don't touch anything.
Oh, that's so funny. You see the little shark
I don't know if
thing.
you can see
It's
it
Patrick.
in the video, but it's the exact shape of a cone. Whatever.
I had the same.
That's hilarious. And that's got to be on film. Poor Jimmy, he's out there. He's burning up.
And he don't have no sunscreen.
He's gonna be in the car.
He'll be okay.
Oh, no, he
No, he
won't.
gets
I was in the
worse.
car all day yesterday. I got freaking toasted. Well, hey, toasted, I don't know.
Come on, Josh, get moving!
This one.
There you go.
Flip it. Oh, you got new tires?
Yeah.
We do.
Yep. I'm missing all the practice. I probably would have been fine on those other tires.
You don't even need any practice.
I like that. Let's see what they can do going into the clubhouse turn. Poor Travis having a good snap back with Frank Sweeney spinning in turn 1. Jimmy Oaks has had to finish his run. Nice to have a huge advantage going into the next one.
I almost tanked on. Nice work, Jimbo. Good work. Yes.
Now the drivers will switch positions and Frank will lead the way with Jimmy Oaks giving chase. All right, let's see what they can do with Frank Sweeney giving the lead, Jimmy Oaks and chase. Frank Sweeney going wide, taking out the outside clip, snapping into the inside. right now, hitting the dust on the outside of the track, hit the dust again, and then the big spin by Frank Sweeney. That's unfortunate.
How you feeling after round one?
My car doesn't feel right.
What's the matter?
I don't know. I think I have too much rear grip now. I went to go clutch kick, and it felt like my clutch was slipping.
Really?
Yeah. So, did my entry look fucked up? Because it felt it.
It was tough because I was filming. So
Yeah. I mean, luckily, I got lucky. The other driver I was with is a good driver. He has very little tandem practice, so it definitely helped me. I fucked up the entry, and the other driver was a little all over the place. I didn't really know what to go, but my car was pushing really bad that last run. It didn't feel the same. I kind of wish I left the tires. I really wish I left the other tires, but I'm gonna inflate the rears and hope it helps me. It sucks sacrificing grip because you can't go as fast, but the car was just pushing too bad at the time. I don't think I have it with this power with that grip.
got this.
Battle. Let's see how they're going to take the clubhouse turn. Colin Fitzgerald, a good snap right behind Jimmy Oaks. Coming down the hill. Jimmy Oaks going nice and wide to the outside clip. Colin Fitzgerald right on him. Snapping into the inside clip. Oh! He might have snapped a little too early there. Good job, guys. We'll switch up the driving position and see what happens. Colin Fitzgerald getting back on the power through the inside clip zone. Jimmy Oaks giving chase. Jimmy Oaks staying. Oh, and Colin Fitzgerald.
Oh, that's a one more time. I don't know. What is that?
Let's see what he thinks. The win is going to go to Jimmy Oaks.
Yes! I was tough.
We'll see him in the top four.
Good job, Jimmy.
Now it's for the top four drift here. So Josh, we're going to have very nice and slow, maybe second drift. Turn one. Both drivers snapping nice. Jimmy Oaks getting left a little behind from Joshua DeLees. Josh snapping it through the inside clips, nice and fast, nice and snappy, nicely snappy. Let both drivers switch position to see if Jimmy can avenge that mess up in the inside clip zone. Josh DeLees giving chase. Let's see how they go. Josh DeLees with a good, sucking up nice and close to the end of the entry. Josh just in his door, passing him, facing him. Good job by both drivers. We'll see. He will drop his arm in the direction of the winner. And it looks like the winning is going to go to Josh DeLees, your number one qualifier today. We're moving on to the final championship.
Jimmy, you lost the number one qualifier today. You did pretty well.
Be battling for third.
Frank Carter doing a nice job with the entry, snapping through the inside cone, going fast, nice and quick. Told me his tires were heating up. S13 drivers. Simultaneous entry by both S13 drivers. With Frank straightening a bit. Jimmy going nice and deep in that final tip, the entry corner, coming through the inside clip zone. Walking up again like perfect here. Took out my checkered flag. Looks to me like his right arm dropped. That'll give Frank Carter the number 3 position, last position on the podium. But great job by the Drift Cat.
Hey Bobby, what's your closing remarks?
Today was awesome.
Yeah?
I really enjoyed the new layout. Upset I didn't really get to drive with Jimmy, but there's some more grassroots events we can do that at.
Hell yeah, we're gonna turn the boost up on Bobby G's whip, and I'm excited. More power.
More power equals more fun.
No, bad.
The guy's got a Big Daddy sticker on that trailer. I see it. What do you have to do to earn a Big Daddy sticker? Like, when can you classify yourself?
Well, under it also said hookups, so.
Okay.
Oh, you're so cute.
If these drift events were on Saturdays and I wasn't working.
So today, really funny, the top 6 qualifiers placed exactly how we ended up placing in the end after all the tandem battles, which is really funny. So I qualified 4th, got 4th, and
Everyone else got the
yeah, it's like really funny how that worked. The loss of power definitely threw me off today. Had to drive a little bit differently than I usually do. I have to, when you have less power, you kind of have to huck it a little harder, because if you huck it hard with a lot of power, the car kind of goes crazy. So that, and my clutch started to slip, and you guys could see it pretty bad. I didn't want to assume it was my clutch. I want to assume it was just me, but you could see it, like the entries are really where you see it. You could see me try and break the car loose and it wouldn't go anywhere, and that's when I'm clutch kicking. When you shake the car, it's supposed to break loose on you, and it just didn't go anywhere, so I would have to just e-brake in and just get the car going, and then it'd work. But so whatever. We'll get the new clutch in there ASAP. I assumed this one would fail pretty quickly after the whole dyno situation, so it's whatever. But 4th place is not bad. I'm actually really excited about it, so that's cool.
25.
Out of 25, so we have a whole season of Street Series, so hopefully we end up moving up and doing better. So but it's been a really, really long weekend. We drifted all day yesterday too, and yeah, so yeah, you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content. We'll see you guys probably tomorrow. Take care. Steffi Palmet.